Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Silhouette Connect step by step clearly. To uninstall Silhouette Connect, start by locating the program on your computer. On a Windows computer, click on the Start menu located in the bottom left corner. Type Control Panel in the search box and press Enter. In the Control Panel, find and click on Programs and Features. Scroll through the list to find Silhouette Connect. Once you locate Silhouette Connect, right-click on it. Select the option Uninstall from the drop-down menu. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to proceed. Click Yes to confirm the uninstallation. The uninstallation process will initiate and may take a few moments. Once it's complete, you will see a notification confirming that Silhouette Connect has been removed. For a Mac computer, begin by opening Finder. In the Finder sidebar, click on Applications. Locate the Silhouette Connect application within the click and drag Silhouette Connect to the trash bin. Alternatively, you can right-click on the application. Select Move to Trash from the context menu. After moving it to the trash, right-click on the trash icon. Select Empty Trash to permanently remove Silhouette Connect from your Mac. Now, you've successfully uninstalled Silhouette Connect from your computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.